Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about yen index. Very important right now, because all yen pair depends on it, right? So this is the weekly chart, yen index weekly chart I made on 9th October when we were here. My first chart was that we're probably going to drop from 61%, but what happened then that the news came out about the election, the party election, right, in Japan, where Sane Takachi, Sane, yeah, Sane Takachi is the name, right? Yeah, I guess maybe saying something wrong, but that's what I think. So she became the party leader, and most likely she will be becoming prime minister, which she did on the October 21st. She finally became the PM, I guess. That's what I have in the news, right? So far, so good. So, and because of that, many things that she was very, her policies will weaken the yen. So that's why this big move, this candle here, this is because of that. And the price just jumped from 61 to 78. And but this is where I made this chart that this probably the end of it, and then we might be dropping again because we have to fulfill the prophecy according to the Elliott wave, right? So this is my Elliott wave count. Wave five is finished here, then A, and then ABC B, and then we're supposed to be coming down for C. Now, many says also that Sane Takachi is going to defend and intervene and against the weakness, excessive weakness in yen. So she will try to do something, and yen may get strong later on, right? So who do you believe? I don't know, but who do I believe? None. I don't believe on anybody out there talking about whatever. I believe on the my charts and the PA. So wherever the PA goes, I go. That's as simple as that. Uh, this chart so far, let's take a look what happened to this chart, right? So this one, the weekly chart, and this is started to come down after this candle here. I made the chart, then it came down here, ended up like this. Then a black candle all the way came down here, ended up like this, and then it started to go to the upside again. And last week we almost hit that level again. Now this small black candle, that is this week starting just now, yesterday, right? Today is the Monday morning, 6 a.m. So Sunday market open with this candle. So let's see what will be happening. Now, this is the bigger picture, right? But keep that simple thing, rule of thumb in mind that if yen index going up, all yen pair will be going up. Yen index coming down, all yen pair will be coming down with it. Simple as that. Some more, some less, depend on the other currencies as well, right? But majority of them will follow yen. Why? Because yen is very strong. Yen index movement move everything. So this is what it is, right? So we are at 78% of this retracement, and this extension, set 127 extension is also there. But this fib, according to this fib, here we have 38%, and here we have 50%, then this is 23%. So I'm expecting that maybe, it's like if this is A, then this is B, at least come down to like 50% of this whole rise. You see this big huge rise, right? So we need to come down, and it looks like that Bank of Japan intervention is the only way. So far, people are making it weaker and weaker, and then they have to come in again. This candle here is also that, so they defended this area, and they will defend this one as well, I guess. So let's see what happened. I made a couple of other charts in a smaller time frame. This is a bigger time frame we're talking about, right? So the smaller time frame, I made a chart, something like I'll show you like this. All right. So not even this one. See this one, I've been tracking all along with the Elliott wave count on my 33-minute chart. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I say this is 5, and basically I had this that is gonna go up from here. Let me see if it is here. No, it's not here. Anyway, so yen index supposed to be ending here with 5 and then dropping here, right? And I said that when it's going to drop, all yen pair will also go down. So this, so far, what happened is that this is like this, right? So it came down here. Then I made the chart that somewhere here, right, either it's going to come down all the way, hit the TL, and then, or maybe this white line is 72.20 will probably hold it, and then we will go back to touch 73.73. So now currently, you see this chart here, 33-minute chart. Currently, what it's doing is this. So it came down and it hit 72.20, as I was expecting that it may bounce from there as well. That's why I made the yellow line is from here to here. Either it will bounce from 72.20 or come down all the way and hit the TL and then bounce, right? So it bounced from 72.20, and then you can see that it is almost there, 72. This is 72, 73, 70, there's some period. Put 72, 72. It's 70, 73, 72, 5 actually. So we are very close to this area here. Now, excuse me, I still have it, by the way. It is confirmed that me had this sickness last couple of weeks was COVID. And then Umar got it, and now my wife is on the bed. Umar is getting better. And like you see that, like that, it's gonna take its toll 2 weeks complete, right? So that's what the quarantine is all about. And but we didn't do it, and we didn't know what it is. So thankfully we came out of it, and my wife is right now, going through it, but hopefully it will come out soon. So yeah, but I still have it in my system. Cough is still there, and the weakness. But okay, now, so this is what I think that, it's there. And then if we hold this area, if we hold this high here, we should be holding this high. This is very close to this weekly chart here. You can see it here. And I want to see a drop from there. So for whatever reason, I don't know if Sane is going to do anything, or some Bank of Japan is going to do anything, or I don't know what will happen. But technically, I see that very strong chance of dropping here. If not, then the extension of this, that 127 will come to the upside. For example, if we are going to go above this, then just pay attention to this extension here. That's all there is. See? So now extension 127 is 74.05. 74.05, is there any 74.05 there? 74.05 candle is not there. You can just go buy all these small candles up and down. 74 is this low. This is 73.99, 73.79. We need 74.05. So the high of this candle is 74.21. So that would be the next 74.21. 74.21 is 74.29 is the 141 area. Yes. So basically in between 127 and 161. But that is the second scenario. The first scenario that I'm looking at is like maybe we are not going to go above this. Now, if you look at the 20-minute chart, this is what it is. All right. So after this drop, this is how we went up. Uh, and then you can see that this is clearly 50% touch, and then clearly 23% touch, and then it went up to touch 88%. Right now it is 88%. Now, if any chance that it's going to drop from here, this is perfectly by the book. Biba, Biba means bearish, bad pattern. That's the calculation, right? But if it continue to go to the upside, I just explained you what it is. The next target would be 73, 72, and then the next target will be over 127 extension of this drop, which will be somewhere right there, 74.05. Okay, so that's what it is. But for it to drop, we need a reversal candle. Before that, don't even think about it going short in any other yen pairs, right? So any yen pairs at all. Yen pairs will not go down if this thing keep going to the upside. It doesn't matter what other currencies are doing. They will not go down. They will only go down if this thing is in favor, right? So be very careful. Right now we have a blue candle. I'm just showing you that a possibility in the future. This is not a guarantee or definite chart that this is what's going to happen. This is what I think. But what I think is that if we somehow, something happen out there in Japan that will make yen a little stronger against all this counterpart. Then we will see a reversal candle, and all of a sudden, all yen pair will be start dropping, and then I will be looking for short entries from my 7-minute chart or down the road 20-minute chart. Right. So first entries will be from 7-minute chart. That's what I'm looking at. It already went up there. I had, tons of long trades last week, yen pairs, and I made a video about, a weekly recap yesterday. So you can watch that and how many yen going to the upside. Yen index going to the upside. All yen pair will go to the upside. All you got to do is look for the right entries, and then that's it. Right. So now I'm expecting that this thing is going to drop. So let's see what happened. Since this chart I made that it's gonna go up, so what happened? I look, this is how it is. You see any blue candle here? No, right? I was just speculating, speculating that it might turn. It might somewhere here. It might turn, and then if it's gonna be making a turn, then definitely yen pair will go up, and then I'll go long, right? I was, just predicting into the future, let's say. So down here, a couple of candles to the downside at 72.20, we got this reversal candle, and that is the key, right? I was expecting it, and it came. Otherwise, it would have just gone all the way down, right? The possibility was there, but when it a reversal candle was there, and I start watching the 20-minute, and then I see a reversal candle here as well and a blue candle, I start paying attention to the yen pairs. Simple as that, right? You expect something, right? And you speculate that this might happen. And if it start to happen, big if that start to happen, then you have very gold mine or treasure in your hand. Simple as that. That's what I'm trying to teach here, right? So if we have a reversal candle here, just like from here to the upside, I need one for the downside now. Right here from the upside, all yen pairs start to bounce and then fly. Or reversal candle and red candle, and all went down. Then all went up. Let's just let me in this video quickly. I'll just show you the what happened uh, last week. Oh, come on. Okay, start watching the yen pairs. Okay, Aussie yen to the upside, CAD yen to the upside, USD yen to the upside, USD yen again to the upside, CAD yen to the upside, USD yen to the upside, Euro yen to the upside. You see that? Pound yen to the upside, Euro yen to the upside. All yen pairs, all yen pairs, maybe 8, 10 trades, all to the upside. Why? Because of this going to the upside. Okay, got it? So if it starts to drop, then imagine how many trades I can have, right? And you can have two. You can do the same thing. All you got to do is just get the system and learn it, and that's it. All right. And this is just the yen. The same philosophy, the same ideology applies to the other, indexes like USD. USD is getting strong. 4 pairs will go down, and 3 pairs will go up. When that start to happen, you start to trade. Simple as that. Pound yen, sorry, pound pairs, euro pair, and Aussie pairs, all the same way. If you're watching the index, you control the market. So it's very, very important to watch the index, right? So that's what I'm just trying to show, that this might be dropping from here. If not, then it's going to go up. And then we're not going to see any short. And then for long, forget about it. I'm not going to go unless I have some reason that is going for the extension, right? So, and then I have to be very careful. That's it. So either it's going to drop or go for the extension. What else? Right? But you need to be ready when the turn is about to happen. That is the key. When for the turn happened, it happened for good for a week or two, and then you can just trade in that direction again and again and again and again and again. Right? And then the turn happens again, and the turn happens again. It came down from there to there. All yen pair went down. Went up. All yen pair went up. Down. All yen pair went down. It went up. all yen pair was going up, and I took so many trades I just showed you. And I'm expecting to repeat the same thing if it start to go down. Even if it is like we have one, two, and then going for three, then we need one, and then two, and then three, four, five to the upside. So this is a big move. We need a retracement. This move could be like this. Yes, of course, an extension of this. So it will go all the way to 127. That can happen. I'm not saying it's impossible, right? It's powerfully going to the upside. So that is going to happen. But I'm always looking for turn. You know that, right? And that's where my game begins. All right. So this is it for now. And I'm going to show you all the pairs that what they are doing. I opened them here. For example, a USD yen. This is what's happening. If USD yen is exactly around this area right now, it's 152.78. This high is this 151. Well, let's say 152, right? So it can very well start to drop from here, right? It's possible. The weekly chart is like this, right? So it is in between reversal. I had this like one, two, maybe three to the downside. That's 161. Actually, sorry, 61% of this rise we can drop here if we are going to drop, if yen start to get stronger, right? If not, then what it is, whatever. So this is, they look like, one and two, and then like followed by three, four, five. Right. Let's see if we can hold and go below 5190, 5194 area. Now, this one, USD yen, pound yen, you can see that this is what it is. If you have this channel here, using this and this, I don't use these wicks, big wicks, as a TL point. So forget about them. So if you connect these two and then put this parallel line here, you can see what's happening here. So let's see if we can hold here as well. This could be looking like, some kind of impulse wave, and then this is like correction, A, B, C. What the hell with this? Let's see. Okay, so A, B, C correction, and then go down again. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see what happens. I'm watching that. Now, Euro Yen, you can see that this is all-time high. Extension from here. At first, I thought this is like A, B, and C somewhere here, and then it's going to drop, but it is going for the extension. So far, it is above this. This level is gone. This level is gone. And let me see if the only thing we can do is that watch this fib and see where the heck it ends up. Okay, so right now it is at 112 area, right? And the next number would be 127 to the upside if it goes to the upside. If it is going to drop, it is going to drop from here. These middle numbers are also important, right? They are related to each other. 112 is related to 141 and 70.7. Okay, so this is one family. 127 and then 78 is one family. And 112, 78, 88, 112, and 127. And then 61% and 161% and 38% is one family. So they are, interrelated. I'll explain that later. So this is how Euro yen is. Aussie yen weekly is powerfully going to the upside right now because Aussie is also getting strong, right? And we had the governor today earlier spoke, and I don't know what he said, but it's making the Aussie strong. So Aussie yen going to the upside. Let's see how far it goes. But it's a pretty big move to the upside and need a retracement. So if yen start to get strong, yes, we are going to go down. CAD yen. Look at that, right? So a nice move here, and then these are highs here that may stop it, and then we can go down. CAD is very weak, and Trump firing back, tariffs at Canada, so that's probably gonna weigh on CAD. So CAD is gonna get a weaker maybe, and then yen strength will do the job to the downside. Even franc yen, you can see that it's a big move to the upside. Now, frankie is very strong, so it is going for It had already gone for, I mean, beyond 61% and 78%, and where the heck it is going, I don't know. But if you look at the weekly chart, maybe we can understand. Um, See, this is all-time high, actually. It's just keep going to the upside. This was one of the pair that, you could have just go long, 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 long year, all day long, all night, all week, all year, all decade long, and you will do just fine, right? So this is how Frankie's keep getting strong and taking this whole thing to the upside, right? Look at that, man. This thing is since when? So let's say even if you count from here, this is 2012, more than a decade. This is constantly going to the upside. Right now, a pound yen daily chart here is all the way up. New Z yen daily chart is sideways, but it is trying to go up. Right, New Z is also weak, and then euro yen we already saw. So yeah, all yen pair basically going to the upside. Why? Because yen pair was yen index was going to the upside. Where the heck is yen index? uh, yen index was here, was going to the upside and taking all yen pairs to the upside with it, right? And daily yen, this is my wave count daily, and 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and this wave 5 ending here. So are we going to end here, or Sane is gonna let it go to the upside even more? Time will tell. This area, this number, pay strong attention to this one, 73, 72 monthly high. And this is where we are now, 78. And the extension we saw right earlier, where the heck that chart is. It is holding. I made the chart when we were here, this candle, but so far we are there and we are still holding. So let's see what happens, right? So it's a lot of trades you can have. If it start to go down for some reason, right? If the intervention comes in, then definitely it's going to drop, and you're going to have tons of trades to the downside in all yen pairs. They're all going to go down. All right. So keep that in mind. I'm going to end the video here. And if you want the system and if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, then go on my website, sign up. One-on-one is the best thing that you can do, and learn the Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, all this Fibonacci mumbo jumbo, how you calculate things and predict into the future, and then you can trade accordingly. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful and profitable week. And I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. And where the heck is my thing? Here. Okay, it's hiding.